Okay, let's take a look at our second problem with systems of linear equations. Now, when you look at this problem, I think the first thing that will come to your mind is, oh boy, let me skip this, and there's nothing wrong with that. You can skip this and come back, but you're going to notice that this is a pretty straightforward problem. So now the way we're going to solve this is we're going to first solve this using the plug-in approach. Plug-in, like I said, you cannot come home with this problem unsolved or solve it wrong. So let's say we start with A. If you're going to plug in, I'm going to plug in the answer choice A in the equation. So I have half times negative 112 minus 1 over 4 times negative 264. And that gives me half that thing. It gives me what? It gives me negative 56. Uh, negative, negative, so it's going to be positive. 4 goes here, 24 goes 6, another 24, so 6, so negative 50, so that give me 10. So it checks out fine, so I'm good on that one. Now let's play with the second equation. So I have 1 over 8 times x is negative 112 minus 1 over 8 times negative 264, and this is also 8 goes here is minus 1 32 14 minus minus is going to be plus 8 goes into this 264, it goes into 3, another 24, also 3. So negative 14 plus this obviously is positive 19, so it's also checked. So as you can see, just by plugging in my numbers, and you take your time and do this, you spend all the time you can on the test to do the plug-in so that at least you get them correct. And therefore, answer choice A is here. That is the best choice for that's the solution set for this. Now, suppose you are very strong. Algebra is good, and say, well, I'm not gonna waste my time on fraction and plugging and potentially make a mistake. So how do I do that using algebra? Smart way to do that is multiply through by 4 the first. If I multiply the first equation by 4, so I can eliminate all the fraction, this becomes 2x minus y is equal to 40. And then if I multiply the second equation by 8, obviously to eliminate, that gives me x minus y is equal to, now 19 times 8, 8 times 9 is 72, 2 carries 7, 8 times 1 is 8, plus 7 is 15, so 152, so it gives me 152, right? Now how do I solve this? I can actually decide to multiply the first equation by negative ones. This is a choice so that I can actually eliminate this. See, I can eliminate the y. So if I multiply the first, then I get negative 2x plus y is equal to negative 40. And I have my x minus y is equal to 152. When I add the two together, I get negative x is equal to, I think I get 112, positive 112. So this is 152 minus. I mean, if your math is not good, you can come back here and say this is 2, this is 1, so 112. Therefore, my x is equal to negative 112. Once you get x equal to negative 112, you know your answer choice is A. That's the only one that shows x to have a negative 112. See, so you can solve these problems either way, but I'll encourage you to plug in whenever you see such opportunity so that at least you get your answer and you keep moving. Don't run away from such problems. They're easy.